Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are having this Thermaltake C240 DDC soft tubing water cooling kit. So let's open this box and see what's inside the box. This time we are not going to assemble this because this video will be very long. So we'll be just seeing what's the component inside this box, and in the next part we'll assemble this entire rig and we'll see how this soft cooling tubing kit works. So let's get started and open this box. So now we have opened this box, and first we have got this stuff. This is the user manual, and this time these are the simple papers 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 papers and they have told how to install, what components are there. So we'll keep this aside, and this again a Thermaltake. I don't know what stuff is this. I'll just keep it. Please read before installation. I don't know what is this. Again, Thermaltake highly installation. So that was written over here. And now see what's inside this. So first and foremost, we have got this nice, beautiful looking water block. So this is a CPU water block. There is warning written behind it. Please tear off the tape before you use it. This is a copper block with 2 screws are pre-installed here. 2 holes are there. I don't know which one is for input and which one is for out. So we'll need to read this, or they are unidirectional. We can use any of them, I think so. And this is an ARGB. So this will be looking very beautiful after we install it. This has got this 3-pin ARGB connector, a small wire which is sleeved one. So that's a good one. So we'll keep this aside and let's see. We have got these 2 fans. These are again ARGB fan, and they have got 2 separate wires, one for your ARGB lighting and one for your fan. So that's a better move because Thermaltake was having a proprietary connector with the 5 pins, for which you need the particular connector which comes with your Thermaltake TT RGB plus fans. So nice 2 fans which are ARGB. So we'll keep this aside. Let's see what's there. And yeah, we have got this 240 mm of radiator. Again, 2 holes are there at the bottom side. You can keep it in this way or this way, whatever the orientation may be. It is not an issue. So nice radiator. This is not very thick but a slim profile radiator. So we'll keep this, but okay for cooling our CPU. And we have got some fittings. These are black color fittings. So we have got 2 90-degree fittings. Quite heavy fittings are this. So 2 90-degree fittings, and these are the compression fittings. I'll just remove them and show it to you. Thermaltake logo is there. It is written. So nice compression fittings. Again, I'll keep this aside. And after that, the huge bottle. This is a 1 liter bottle. 1000 pure clear transparent coolant. So this is a pre-mixed coolant. They have not given you the concentrate so that you can add it in a distilled water and use it. Rather, it's a pre-mix, so you have to just pour it in your reservoir. So after that, we have got this reservoir. They should have packed it much better way. So this is a reservoir. This is an acrylic. I'll just open it and show it to you. So this is the lid, and this is the connection wires they have given. This is a power connector, and this is the fan. I think this is for your pump speed, but I think company should have given the sleeved cables, which would have been a better option. No way I'll be sleeving this wire when I'll be installing it. And this is a DDC pump. Yeah, this is a DDC pump which comes included with your reservoir. So this is a pump combo unit. So I'll keep this aside. After that, few wires for your ARGB connection of your fans and CPU block. Again, this is a fan connector. This is a 3-in-1 fan connector. You can put it in your motherboard header. After that, they have given this quick start jumper so that you can start the SMPS without plugging it into your motherboard. Some screws and tools to secure, some stand, and they have also given the CPU compound. Thermal compound is there from Thermaltake, and some wires, and again this wire is given. This is, I think, an ARGB wire for connecting. So let's see what a few stands are given for AMD and Intel. And this is the stand for your reservoir, yeah, so that your reservoir stays nice straight way. This bottle they have given, this is a 250 ml bottle, so which will be required to fill the coolant in our reservoir. Last but not the least, this is the pipe from Thermaltake. This is a transparent pipe. The outer diameter is 3 by 4 inches and inner diameter is ½ inch. So pretty good thick pipe. So nice pipe. We'll try to assemble this in our next part and we'll build a complete rig by using this kit. So you have got everything right from pipes, screws, wires, fans, coolant, everything is given inside this kit. So you don't have to hunt for any other part for cooling your PC. So we'll be assembling this in the next part. So that was an unboxing video of Thermaltake C240 DDC soft tubing kit. So we'll be back with the next part while assembling this entire components into a beautiful rig. And please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification. We'll back with the next video. Until then, goodbye.